How to use templates on CapCut PC. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily use different templates on CapCut PC. So the very first thing you want to do here is open up CapCut PC. If you haven't already, you can directly log in, which will again help you customize different templates for your likings. I'll just continue on with here to create a new project. So you can just go ahead and click on Create Project over here, and it's going to open up your editing interface. Now, once your interface is loaded over here, you can just go ahead and find different templates from this list. On the left-hand side, you'll find your imported media, then you'll find your sub-projects, then you'll find your presets that you've added, AI media, your spaces, and then your library. Now you can go to library and then find different kind of templates over here. Now to find some exciting templates, you could just go ahead and go to image editing tab on your home screen, or you could go to create with AI to get help with AI to create something for you. I'll just go over here to image editing, and you can already find different templates that you can edit, or you can just search for something that you want. As you can see here, there's ones for TikTok post, YouTube thumbnail, different menu items for restaurants. There are a lot of different things that you can choose from. So let's say if I want something to do with product display, I can head over here, select this template, and then click on use this template over here. It's going to open up the editing interface, and you can again edit the template from here. So let's just wait for it to load. Different components are shown over here, different layers, and you can easily start editing. Now to find other templates, you can go to templates again and find the templates for your liking or search for it. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.